Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. He can sound like a cow. He can go, yes, honey. He can sound like a bee. Mr. Brown can. He can sound like a bee. Mr. Brown can. Yes, how about you? Can you go buzz, buzz? He can sound like a cork. Yes, pop, pop. He can sound like the horse's feet. Clump, clump. Good job. He can sound like a rooster. Yes. He can sound like an owl. Yes. Hoo, hoo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can sound like the rain. Yes, dibba dibba dop. He can sound like a clock. He can tick, and he can talk. He can sound like the hand on a door. Good job, honey. Knock, knock, knock. Yes, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning. Yes, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Mr. Brown can... Yes, whisper, whisper. Very soft, very high. Like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Yes. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. Why don't you try to do them too? Turn the page and let's review. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, pop, clock, cock-a-doodle-doo, hoo, dibba, dibba, duck, tick, tock, knock, knock, boom, boom, splat. Last,
everybody knows it's about to get real.
Yes, whisper, whisper, and that is that. Good job, honey.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.